I just found one of the fastest and the laziest way for you to get fast 1,000 subscribers in the next 28 to 48 hours. Guys, this is a brand new update. In fact, my friend tried this on her channel and she was able to get 1,000 subscribers within just 2 days. And I was like, girl, give me this method, let me go and share it with my community. And this method, you are not sitting down to do any video, you're not doing anything. The only thing you're going to be using is pictures, and pictures will be bringing in subscribers for you. See, you don't want to sleep on this method. If you've tried different things to get 1,000 subscribers and it's not working for you, try this method and you're going to thank me later, because this method is going to give you 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 to 48 hours. But before we head into that, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Buki, and on this channel I share tips that can help you grow very, very fast on YouTube, and also share tips and things you need to avoid as a YouTuber so you don't land your channel into trouble. So just ask like what you want for your channel. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and with that being said, let's just head straight into the main video. The very first thing, so that this method is going to work for you, is you're going to be using CapCut. Yes, we're going to be using CapCut for this method, right? So if you don't have CapCut, go and download CapCut. Now, once you have CapCut, log into the app. It opens like this, and then click on new video. Now, it is going to take you to your gallery. The next thing you want to do is click on photos. Okay, follow me through. See, this method works so well. If you follow me exactly the way I'm going to share, you should be able to get your 1,000 subscribers within the next 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so now what you want to do is you are now going to look for very, very catchy photos. Just make sure that you have very, very catchy photos, pictures that can captivate people, that can draw people's attention, you know, very, very nice and beautiful pictures. And another thing, make sure that the pictures you are using, you are the real owner, you have the license. Don't use copyrighted images. Okay, I'm just going to search my gallery, and okay, I think I'm going to be using this one. Like I said, use very, very catchy images. It doesn't necessarily have to be you showing your face. Okay, so I'm going to select this as well. This is looking very catchy. Then I'll also look for some, at least need like 6 to 10 images. Okay, so let me just keep searching. Okay, I'll also add this as well. Then, so we currently have 3. I'm just going to add 6 more, and I'm going to select from one of these, you know, images. 4. So we have 5, 6, okay, 7, and okay, I think this is all. So now once you have these images, just click on add 10. So I'm using 10 images for this method. Okay, now you're going to see this interface immediately you've added the images. So the next thing you want to do is add transition to these images. Okay, so just click in between the images, and then you're going to see this. That's how you can add transition. So just click on this, and in between all the images, just add transition. Right now, once you're done adding transition in between all the images, the next thing you want to do is come to these icons at the bottom, okay, and look for aspect ratio. Now we want to make sure that the aspect ratio you're using for this method is 9.16, okay, which is the TikTok aspect ratio. Please do not use 16.9. do not use 16.9. make sure it is aspect ratio 9:16. okay, now once you're done with this, the next thing you want to do is export this video. Okay, I call this method the laziest method to get 1,000 subscribers. Please do not skip on any part, because we are just getting started to where the magic is going to begin. So now once you have this, the next thing you want to do is go to your YouTube app. Okay, log on to your YouTube app, then click on the plus icon. Okay, now you're going to see this interface: video, shorts, live, blah blah blah. Click on shorts. Okay, follow me through, because this is not your regular way of you know, normally uploading shorts to get subscribers. No, this is different. So click on add. Now it is going to show you your gallery. So the next thing is for you to click on the image which you just edited from CapCut. So this is the image here, the very first one. So I'm just going to click on it. Now you're going to see this. Click on next. Okay, it is going to bring you to this interface. Click on done. Now it is going to process and take you to where we are going to start the magic. Okay, so while it is processing, please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now this is the interface we have. Okay, now at the top you're going to see add sound. Hold on, this is not your regular way. Follow me. Okay, so click on add sound and you're going to see this interface, right? And once you get to this stage, there are 2 ways to go about it. I'm going to show you the first one, then show you the second one. So the first one is, you can see at the top we have create music. Create music. This is a new feature. Okay, so you're going to click on create music. That is if you want to create a music for yourself. So click on it. Okay, and it's going to bring you to this interface. Create a track, describe your track, so you can actually give it the lyrics of what you like to create. Now the advantage of this particular feature is that if you create a music using the YouTube music, YouTube is going to help you push it to a lot of people because you are actually using their feature. Remember, every feature YouTube gives to you has its own use and advantage. Okay, so now you have options to either use any of these. So for this tutorial sake, I'm just going to click on one of these and then click on create. Now it is going to load up, process, create the music for you before it brings you the final result. So here is what we have. I won't be playing everything because I don't want this video to be too long. So once you're satisfied with the song, click on the arrow. That way you have it on your video already. Okay, so this is what we have. Now once you're satisfied with this, I'm going to show you the next thing you need to do. So if you don't want to use the YouTube music, click on where you can see track made with AI. Then you're going to see this. You can either change or remove the song. So click on change and click on add sound, and it is going to bring you to this space. Now if you really want fast subscribers, don't use any song here, but rather come to the search icon and type trending. Okay, now you're going to see all official music and original sounds. Click on official music. We're going to be using official music because that's what will help your video go viral to get you that subscribers you're looking for. Okay, now need to look for songs that had millions of views. I mean songs that millions of channels have used. All right, so we have 2.6 million. Then let's scroll down a bit. 1.2 million. No, this is too small. Let's look for another one. 2.4 million. No, so I'm trying to look for song with the highest millions of views. Okay, so I think this is the best. It has 3.8 million, so I think this is one of the highest. So the next thing, once you find that song like that, just click on it and add it to your video. Okay, so this is it. Now the next thing you want to do is click on this particular icon. You're going to see choose a sticker. Click on quiz. Okay, because you want to actually add like a call to action. This is what is going to make people subscribe. So you're going to say ask a question. So you want to type something like this: subscribe, and you will get a peck from me. Then the first one, which is you're going to type yes, I subscribed, and then the second answer you're going to type no, I didn't. You understand? So this alone will make people subscribe to your channel. This is the magic in this method. Okay, now once you're done with this, just click on done. You can also change the color of this sticker if you don't like this sticker. Just make sure it is very, very catchy. Okay, now once you're done with this, click on next. Okay, and it's going to process and take you to the next interface. Please give this video a thumbs up, please and please. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is click on the pencil icon and choose a very clickable thumbnail. Okay, now once you have your thumbnail, come to the caption and write a very, very catchy title there. Okay, and I'm also going to give us some specific hashtag you should use for this method. It will also help this video to go very far and get you that subscribers. You understand? Okay, so I'm just going to type this, a beautiful love song. Then and now please make sure you use this exact hashtag so that you don't come back to say, okay, this method did not work for me. Now you're going to type hashtag shorts, this one that has 1.8 billion videos, 93 million channels. Use this exact one, click on it. Then you're going to also type hashtag viral. You can see this one that has 855 million videos, 56 channel. This is the exact one you should use. Then the last hashtag, you're going to also type hashtag viral video. Hashtag viral video. You understand? Now after you added these three hashtags, then you're not going to add hashtag the song that you use on the video. Okay, yeah, so if you use God Will Work It Out as the song on your video, make sure you write hashtag God Will Work It Out. So I'm just going to type hashtag the exact song that I used on this video. It will also help this video go very, very, very fast. It's very, very, very important. Try not to skip this part though. Do not skip this part. Okay, so I'm just going to type that. Now after you've typed the hashtag, the next thing is go to this other place and then fill out all the necessary information. No, it's not for kids. Another thing is, if you use the AI or the YouTube music, click on the AI use and make sure you click on yes, you used AI. But if you use normal song like the one I used on this video, click on no. You understand? You filled this correctly. Now after you filled all these things, the next thing you want to do is make the video public and upload it. Now for you to get maximum result, like I said, if you do this method, it works. See, I'm not even capping at all, it works so well. But you have to upload shots like this at least 6 to 8 times per day. You understand? So that is what is going to give you that fast results to get 1000 subscribers within 28 to 48 hours. Okay, so this will be the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.